screwdriver is not just bigger than a lollipop, it's also bigger than a nail. We're gonna kick it up all the way. Check. It's normal, doesn't bend, doesn't collapse. Just keep in mind it has been up my nose before. Thank you. And no offense, sir, I don't know where your hands have been. I gotta wipe this off. There's stuff going around. Okay, now guys, if you are squeamish, now's the time. Cover your eyes. If you want to see it, let me know you're out there. How about a drum roll? Yeah. You ever get a really bad headache? This always does the trick. You just gotta loosen up the tension like that. Oh, that feels good. Now, here, would you mind helping me first stand up? Hold your head up just like that. I swear this is really lucky. Get the buggers. Thank you very much.